We are going to do a short video demonstration for this Lehigh 20-inch by 60-inch manual lathe. It comes with a 3-jaw chuck. It has toe post with quick change and a tail stalk with 2 speeds. And we are going to show there is a rapid travel motor for 4 different directions. 1, 2, these are longitudinal, then crossfit. Okay, so that's just the basic movement with the help of rapid motor. Now let's do a spindle run. And we can do a power feed. All right, this is cross feed. You can see the handle is turning. All right, other way, turn that way. Okay, longitudinal. It's a large handle here, turning. And other way, we're going towards the track. And you can override it with rapid. All right, so this is just a basic introduction to these manual machines under power. Thank you.